Hi, Scotty Bear here, and yes, you can live in Tijuana. That's right. Because of a neighboring country like Mexico and how close Tijuana and San Diego are, it offers a bit of a loophole that allows Americans to be able to move to the border region with little to no immigration um, to get through. It really is quite lax, and it has created a bit of a phenomenon that has recently become quite popular. It is to move to Tijuana. If you have been thinking about this, it is just on the other side of crazy as you would expect, and I did it for 3 years and moved out and have a lot to share about it. If you check out my videos, I talk a lot about different things about Tijuana. I enjoyed Tijuana, but I'll be honest, it is definitely not for everybody. You need to look into it carefully. You might even want to take a test run before you get started to make sure it's really for you. Tijuana, I wouldn't describe it as dangerous, but I think we're all quite clear on some of the interesting things that happen down there, and it is definitely just on the other side of crazy. But I would still put Mexico in a fairly good category. I think it is quite nice. I enjoyed my time there. The main reason why I ended up leaving was because of the line, and it got to be quite a headache. But I'll be honest with you, the wonderful weather of San Diego and its proximity to that area make Mexico and the Rosarito Beach and Tijuana area quite nice. So anyway, if you enjoyed this video, you want to know more about Tijuana, please check out my other videos. Thanks for watching.